What's going on, guys? So today I have a Breville Barista Express. This is not mine, it is a friend of mine's, and it needs a cleaning. As you can tell, there's a blinking light for clean, and if it was solid, it'd be for descaling. Cleaning, basically, all you need to do is a back flush. You kind of want to do it weekly, especially if you use your espresso machine a lot, but it gets expensive to clean all this stuff. What you will need is your single dosing cup, this little rubber or silicone cover to put one of the pills that comes, or the tablets that comes with the Breville. They're expensive, and even the descaling powder is expensive. So what I recommend is get cafiza. I will put a link below. This I use it for all my portafilters, the baskets, the back flushes. Save yourself some money. This stuff is a lot cheaper. But to do this is very simple. Okay, now we're gonna attach our portafilter. Make sure your machine's off. What we wanna do is hit the power, the single, and the double dose at the same time until it builds up pressure and then the cycle starts. As you can see, the pressure went back down, so it's filling back up again. There's nothing that came out because the silicone blocker for the tablet is there, and then any of the wastewater is gonna come down here. I'm gonna remove this so you guys can see that as well. Now this process takes about 5 to 10 minutes. It's on its third cycle right now. You'll see once it back flushes into the tray. And it's gonna continue until it stops, and then you're pretty much done. Just gotta run a clean cycle and that's it. So now you can see that the light is no longer blinking. What I like to do after I remove the portafilter, I like to just run some water through it. I know some people just like to pull a cup of coffee, but this kind of helps just get anything else out of it from this end. But that's pretty much it. This is, like I said, it's a great machine, especially for like an apartment. We were using it here for a while and we were working this thing. So I'm surprised to see how good this machine held up. I have a Breville Bambino Plus, which I will be doing a review on that as well. But stay tuned, and I hope this tip helped you out, and come back for more. Peace.